guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lumka Jwara. Thank you guys for tuning in. I wanted to show you guys how I've been moisturizing my hair since I did these braids, I think 3 weeks back. I've just been intentional about making sure that my scalp is healthy while I have these braids, and also my hair is not drying out. So yeah, do stay tuned to see the DIY spray that I made. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification icon so that anytime I upload a video you guys get notified. Yeah, let's get into the video. The DIY spray because of the sun. Okay, so this is the DIY spray that I made for my braids. I usually use this one, and then this is the one that I did today to kind of just show you guys how I did it. So I'm gonna show you guys a video on the side showing you exactly how I did the spray, and also yeah, while I show you, I'm also gonna just be applying because I haven't like moisturized my hair today. So basically I usually like to go in sections to make sure that every like part of my hair is like just getting the necessary like products, and the water as well is going in. I do this because I don't want to have any product build up, so just mixing the products lightly with the water also kind of helps with the absorption of the products into the hair. So let me just go. Guys, I have a problem with kind of bottles acting up on me. This one usually works, but now it's just like giving me issues. So I also just make sure that around my scalp area I apply the spray, and I also make sure that I don't get pulled too tightly by the person that does my hair, because there's nothing like a weak hairline to kind of just make you hate your natural hair journey. So just making sure that I have a healthy hairline. The spray is just like, it's showing me flames. So I basically go into different sections of the hair, making sure that you get into the scalp. Then I just like, you don't want to rub too much because it's gonna like, there's gonna be like freezing of the hair. So I just basically go around my hair spraying this. The biggest difference that I've seen is that my scalp is not dry. Like there's nothing irritating like just having an itchy scalp. So when it is, if it does get like itchy, I pull this out and like just spray the water into my hair, into my scalp I mean. So like I spray that on the scalp and also on the length of the hair, because that's the part that I want to make sure that it's not dry. This bottle is like irritating me now. So yeah, you get the drift. That's basically what I do all over my hair. And then for my hairline, I love using like an oil, just massaging an oil on my hairline. So the one that I've been using is this L.jwara herb infused oil. I love the fact that it's very light on the hair, so I have like a few drops of it, and then I basically just like massage it into my hairline, also on my scalp. But the focus for me is like the hairline, because already there's an oil from the spray that I put in, but for my hairline I go in with this beer spray. So I go in every day with the spray because it is very light, so I can use it every day. So that's basically the routine that I do in the morning for my braids. The oil just to just seal in the water that I've sprayed into my scalp. Just making sure that I massage the products into the hair, and that's it. That's how I just have been taking care of my hair with this DIY spray that I have done. So I always go into my scalp, just not scalp, I mean my hairline, just massaging the oil, because I want to make sure that this protective style does not pull on my hairline. So guys, that is how I maintain my braids on a daily basis, just making sure that I apply this so that my hair doesn't dry out. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below about like your braid routine. How do you take care of your hair while it's protective styled? Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video.